All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency news, mining cryptocurrency, using BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Today, we're going to be talking about AMP token. There's a lot going on. It got listed on Coinbase a few months ago. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the Sheetz gas station. The prices are down right this second. This could be a good time to reposition yourself into where you want to be, what you bought the coin at. So we're going to dig into this. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Again, my vision is one day every single person on the planet is going to have cryptocurrency. AMP token is going to make that possible by basically with Flex and Network and how everybody's going to be using it. One of the things that's interesting on Flex and Network and AMP is the customer can use any cryptocurrency they want. Okay, the merchant can accept any cryptocurrency they want. They can use it on any app that they want. Okay, and then they basically can pay anywhere they want what they want. There's a lot of functionality to this that once everything's rolled out, this is going to make cryptocurrency more user friendly. So let's go ahead and dig in over to some AMP. All right, I'm over here at Coinbase because just a month or so ago, it got listed AMP price. And when AMP is listed on all these different exchanges, it's going to make it a lot easier for people to actually buy the AMP, which makes the price going to be going up. All right, over here, so an AMP token is at 4 cents, 3.2. So it's under a nickel, 4.0432. Right over here at Coinbase. And it says AMP token. Take a look at this. AMP is an Ethereum token that aims to collateralize payments on the Flexa network, making it instant and secure. If a BTC or ETH payment fails due to unconfirmed or long transaction times, the AMP collateral can instead be liquidated to cover the losses, while the vendor receives payment in fiat, potentially providing greater assurance to both parties. That's about AMP. You know, it says right here, AMP is on a decline this week. Prices of AMP has fallen 13.83% in the last 7 days. Basically, in the last 24 hours, it did increase a little bit, but that's why we're talking about this. Right now, it's traded at about 4 cents. It's actually at 0432. All right, jumping over here to Cointelegraph, it says Flexa aims cryptocurrency hits a new heights as Coinbase lists up 1,700% in 2021. I'm going to bring you all kinds of information on this one particular cryptocurrency and the functionality that it's being used more and more. So we're going to basically make sure you know about the Sheetz, you know about all the different things that are going on. Coinbase is now listing AMP token. Also Binance is also accepting AMP token. The payment system in-house token passes. A partner Shopify plans to reach out to Facebook and Google merchants. And there's the little AMP flying through the air. So it says in-the-house token cryptocurrency payment AMP Flex. The AMP has reached an all-time high when it was listed on Coinbase. So with that, AMP at that time in June was over 12 cents. It's best performing altcoin. Flex describes itself as the first ever digital currency payment option for brick and mortar retails. Again, this is going to be why that this AMP token is not going to, it's going to go up and up, in my opinion. Again, what we do here on this channel is for educational purposes only. Aims to offer a blanket solution to cryptocurrency acceptance and spending. Its previous token, Flexacoin, FXC, was converted to AMP last year as a perfect overhaul. So there was another coin, FFC, and now it's actually AMP. The replacement appears to be far better than the original as it started. When it launched, it was 1,700% up. Flexa has already partnered with the Canadian e-commerce company Shopify when it later announced that it would expand the payment features to all Facebook and Google merchants this week. This we're going to be talking about in a second. In late May, the food and retail chain Sheetz confirmed that it would be accepting Bitcoin payments using the Flexa service. We know that this news has already happened. We talk about it. So now we got Sheetz using it. Since launching Flexa over 2 years ago, the first ever digital currency payment option for brick and mortar retail. Did you hear that? The first ever. We scaled to the support over 41,000 merchants located in the USA, says Tyler Spalding, the co-founder and CEO of Flexa. So again, with everybody, Sheetz gas station, Flexa basically being able to use the cryptocurrency. I mean, right now the price is a little bit lower than normal. Again, if you're watching this channel and if you're doing the cryptocurrency and you're buying it, you do need to strap in, because we know at any given time the market could go up, it could go down, it could go right, it could go left, it could do all these different things. You basically have to have a high tolerance for the cryptocurrency. But you have to ask yourself, when you're watching a cryptocurrency and it's going up, okay, would you rather get in when it's like this, or would you rather get in when it dips a little bit? I don't know. Let's take a look. Well, let's just see what this says. We just bought the dip, says El Salvador, expanding the Bitcoin holding. So what did El Salvador do when right now, when Bitcoin was down 10% in the last 24 hours? The El Salvador president announced to his country purchase 6.4 million worth of Bitcoin after the price of the cryptocurrency fell. Okay, so right there, the president of El Salvador is buying the dip. I mean, right here on MarketWatch. I mean, so if El Salvador can buy the dip, may not be a bad idea for me to buy the dip. For everybody else that's looking to buy the dip, El Salvador's buying the dip on Bitcoin? All right, so look what it says right here. Look what it says right here on their Twitter account. We just bought the dip, 150 new coins. El Salvador now holds 700 coins of Bitcoin. They added 150 coins. That's what they did when this happened. So with that, we're over here at the top 10. So Bitcoin is at number 1. It's at 42,000. It's still down 10% in the last 7 days. It's only down 1.67 in the last 24 hours. It actually rebounded a little bit. Ethereum is really down 16% in the last 7 days. This could be a good opportunity. Look at that. It's under 3,000. It's at 2860. It's been a while since we saw Ethereum at this. Tether has actually moved up to number 3. Cardano has dropped to number 4. Cardano is almost at $2.04. So if you're an ADA watcher and you've been paying attention, remember what I said, anytime this thing drops to below 250, you may want to position. Well, in the last 7 days, it's went down 14, it's almost down 15% in the last week. It's down almost 5% in the last 24 hours. Binance Coin, the story's the same. I mean, take a look at all this red. Red, 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 red. Okay, so XRP is down 17%. Solana's down 19% in the last 7 days. Polkadot's down 25%. Dogecoin's down 14%. Now look at this real quick. Okay, just ask yourself this, and actually put in the comments what you think. Is it a better opportunity? And I guess there's no right or wrong answer. It's your opinion. But right now, if you were going to do any amount of money, $100, whatever, 1,000, doesn't matter. Okay, is it a better opportunity to put your money in the Avalanche when it's up 24%? Right now, boom, put it in, 24% up. They're trading at 63.51. Or is it better to pick any of these red ones? Down 16%, down 14%, down 17%, down 19%, down 26%. So again, you have to ask yourself that. Uniswap's down 21%. Litecoin's down 16%. Chainlink's down 25%. Bitcoin's down 20%, 19%. This coin was actually being traded at $650 just like a week and a half ago. But I did want to point out our one friend, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is actually up 5.81% in the last 7 days. And Shiba Inu is actually up almost well, actually is 0.5% now in the last 24 hours. So you may want to go up and down the coin market cap to figure this out. Shiba Inu is actually on the up right now. So if you don't like buying when it's red, the whole top 10 pretty much is red, then find the ones that are up. I don't know. I mean, look at this. And then here's the AMP coin. At number 59, it's actually down 13% right now. But ask yourself this. With the AMP coin being accepted here at Sheetz, accepting digital currency with Flexa, Sheetz becomes the first convenience store chain to accept Bitcoin. Okay, so if AMP is being accepted at Sheetz, and here's what it looks like. You know, there's 600 of these across Ohio, that different region, Pennsylvania, Virginia, that literally are going to be accepting cryptocurrency, and AMP is collateralizing the whole thing. Again, how many currencies can you say that with? All right, we're over here at Robinhood, and I just want to do a couple checks for everybody. Take a look here at Ethereum. It's down 28.67. Let's go back a month ago. A month ago, 3,900, 3,900. It dipped. It bounced back up. 3,600. It's way down right now, everybody. So, you know, there's people that actually put things on that when the coin drops to 2,900 to buy. All I'm saying is to pay attention to this. This could be a buyer's market right now with everything down. Or if you like to buy it when it's up, there's that avalanche. So that's why I was pointing that out to everybody. Over here, the Dogecoin, 20 cents. I mean, a month ago, this coin's at 27 cents, 29 cents. You know, the difference from 20 to 30 is 50%. So if you think that Dogecoin will rebound and get back to these levels, there's from 20 cents to 30 cents, there's a 50% increase. Again, I just wanted to show you this. If you make money with your investments or you lose money with your investments, I have nothing to do with it. It's your decision. We just do this for educational purposes only. I can't be responsible if you make the money. I can't be responsible if you don't. You're making your own decisions, but I'm just showing you these different tools and how you can use this. I just think that's interesting. Dogecoin was at 30 cents September 4th, and now it's basically at 20 cents. If you like the Dogecoin, that could be one to be paying attention to. And how about this one, Ethereum Classic? Okay, it's at $47 a month ago. This thing was at $69, $72. Okay, then it was $59, and it was $57, and now it's at $47. So as you watch the cryptocurrency, as it does this, and as you buckle up, again, these tools, you can do it at Coinbase, you can do it on Robinhood. You want to basically get in there, look at the month, look at the week, look at the 3 months, and figure that out. All right, so you know what's my prediction? Again, everything's for educational purposes only, but I just like the AMP coin. I like the token. I like that all these gas stations across these different states and stuff are going to start using cryptocurrency. I kind of look at it again as that football coach that's drafting a player, and he's on the team, and they're looking at the plays, but he hasn't even played the whole season yet. You got to let things play itself out. If you're looking for a year or 2 or 3 years down the road, I mean, this AMP token with all these different things, I love that El Salvador's president's buying the dip. So, you know, as we talk about this channel when it goes up and when it goes down, I mean, leave in the comments, do you like it better when everything's down and you can position yourself, or do you actually like it better, you know, when the market's completely up and you position yourself there? You know, again, everybody's got different strategies and stuff. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Again, one of my things is to help everybody on the planet know about cryptocurrency, use the cryptocurrency. Make sure you share this video with your friends, as over the months and the years, we're going to keep talking about cryptocurrency and all the different things that are happening. So thank you for tuning in. Monday through Friday, we always launch at 1 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and on the weekends we actually put a video out at 3 or 4 o'clock on the weekend. So thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.